Okay, boom. Y'all, excuse my bed. I should have fixed it before even starting this video, but I didn't, and here we are. What we getting into today's video? Well, first of all, welcome to my channel. That's number one, right? Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Chelsea. You should subscribe, period. Today's video is going to be my maintenance routine slash glow up slash transformation. Like, we're giving a little bit of a hot mess right now. We're giving a little bit of a hot mess right now. It's okay, like, we're still that bitch regardless. Like, don't get it twisted. This vlog is gonna take over a few days. I'm not doing everything like all in one. Today is actually Friday. Happy Friday. We're gonna dedicate today to removing all the hair off my face, which is a process, okay? So we're gonna get my eyebrows threaded, and I go to get my sideburns waxed too. Last night I was supposed to dermaplane. I wanted to do that before I did this stuff, but I guess we'll just do it later. Oh my god, okay, so remember how I told y'all in my last video that like, oh my god, I only posted one video, whatever, I'm gonna post mad videos. Yeah, my room is a mess right now. Yeah, ignore my room, okay? My room is literally a reflection of how much of a mess I am right now. But like I said, at the end of this video, we're gonna be seeing a different story, okay? The room will be picked up, okay? Oh, so remember I was talking to y'all about, oh my god, I'm gonna be so consistent. I haven't posted videos since before Valentine's Day, and it's currently March 1st. So, but what had happened was I had a vlog planned. The events that was going to take place during the vlog ended up like not really happening, and then after that I had another video, and I was in it to win it, girl. Like, I had my mic, my portable mic, everything. Like, I was in there to win it, okay? Girl, there was no sound. There was no sound in that video. So like, I definitely cried about it, because that was also like, I believe that was day one of my monthly. Anyways, so yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. This is day one. We're gonna get our eyebrows done. We're gonna wax our upper lip. We're gonna wax our sideburns, and we're going to dermaplane our face later on tonight, okay? And if we do anything, I'm probably not gonna do anything else, but I'm gonna try to vlog. It's hard to vlog doing your eyebrows though, because me, I get my eyebrows threaded, and like, you're involved in the process. Like, how am I gonna vlog if I'm like this? You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me tell you guys what we're gonna do tomorrow before I go. So if you guys like been following me, or if you know me in real life, you know my hair was very long. Like, this is basically like teta length, or boob length rather. So my hair was like all up in my butt crack. I'm sorry I keep looking this way, hold on, because my phone keeps going off. So I'm kind of like having like a little like mental crisis, because I like my hair very long, but I do have very thin, fine hair. My hair is prone to falling out, and I had to cut it. Like, I just had to cut it. The ends were terrible. It was really bad. So she kept as much length as she could when she did my hair, and she also gave me some like long layers to help give it more of like of a thicker look, especially because your girl got a Dyson. And like, I feel like Dyson hair just looks better if it's cut into layers. Like, it's true. So did I get myself layers because I got a Dyson? Yes. For the past 2 years maybe, I've been saying, I'm gonna dye my hair, 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 I'm gonna dye my hair. When I was younger, I used to say I'm not dyeing my hair until I'm 30, because I like my hair. I like having like the dark brown hair. It like low-key gets lighter and darker throughout the year. Like, some people think my hair is black, other people say no, it's like a warm chocolate brown. And it's just like, you know, it just switches up. But your girl just needs a change. So I'm gonna dye my hair. And I've been talking about it to some people. I just talk about it. But you know, it's one of those things that you talk about. Do you guys hear me? Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm a little traumatized from the last vlog. What was I saying? Oh, like, I just talk about it. But like, you know those people that they want to talk about doing something and they never do it? I hate those type of people. I mean, I don't mean I hate y'all. I hate that people do that. I was doing that when it comes to my hair. So tomorrow, y'all, we're going through the craziest transformation ever. Okay, it's not the craziest transformation ever. It's something real basic. It's nothing crazy. But for me, it's crazy because I have never dyed my hair in my life. Like, this is all I've ever seen my hair. Like, I never done anything. remember like in middle school everybody was dipping their hair in Kool-Aid. I've never done a single thing. So yeah, and I haven't told nobody. I don't want to tell nobody. I just want to pop up and like be like, hey, and everybody look at my hair. And then I also told my boyfriend I want to go out this weekend. He was like, you never say you want to go out, so let's just go out. I'm like, okay, cool. And it's really just because I want to go out with him with my hair dyed. I have a plot for everything, I swear. My life is a movie. It's not, but I act like it is. How do I know how long I've been talking? Oh, I've been talking for 12 minutes. Whoa, how did that even happen? This was supposed to be the intro. All right, y'all, I'm yapping it up. Let's go get our eyebrows done. I didn't really vlog anything, and it was because, like I said, I was like holding my eye for her, and when I wasn't, I was like squeezing my hands because I always get a little bit nervous when they go to like wax the side. I need to wash my hair. Okay, so first let me walk you through what we're gonna do for my hair care routine, because we're gonna listen, 2024, this is the year of hair care routine. Like, we're gonna establish one. This hair is gonna be the healthiest it's ever been. Okay, let me actually sit down. Hold on. I have a very oily scalp. My scalp gets oily with after like 2 to 3 days. It's oily already, right? This is the Bumble Sunday Scalp Reset Foam. Basically like a pre-shampoo treatment. It does have some salicylic acid in it, I believe. Or did I just make that up? Hold on. Yeah, it has salicylic acid in it. So it's basically good for like excess oily hair. I don't do it too often. I definitely don't do it every time I wash my hair. I feel like in the summertime when I'm sweating more and stuff, I would probably use this a little bit more often than what I use it now. But you literally just put it in the roots of your hair. You leave it for like 3 minutes and then you go in the shower and you wash it off. And it actually feels so good to feel like the bubbling sensation. Oh my god, it's literally like a massage for your head. Look, I'm gonna show you what it's like. You ready? And like when you rub it, it starts to bubble. And then for my shampoo, I've been using the Vegamour one. This is their Revitalizing shampoo. If you have like any like troubles when it comes to like your hair thinning or breaking, that line is really good. Not the most hydrating. So the conditioner wasn't really my favorite. If you are like me, that is like you have an oily root but your ends are probably a little bit more dry, you could do this shampoo with the hydrating conditioner if you wanted to stick with the whole Vegamour family. Pero I'm gonna go in with a hair mask today. It's the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. This one is really good because it's really gonna hydrate my hair, but it's not gonna weigh it down. That is so flat, but it's not dry. So like that little lineup right here that I'm showing you, chef's kiss for me. For my leave-in, I'm gonna go in with the Ceremonia Deep Hydration Repair Cream. This is their Guava one. Oh my god, I like that it's a cream consistency. I don't know, I just kind of enjoy it better. You really don't need a lot, and it's similar to the mask in the sense that it's gonna like hydrate your hair without weighing it down, and this also protects your hair. Plus, it's a Latin-owned brand. And isn't March Latin History Month? I think it is. I don't know. Anyways, I'm doing a whole lot of chit-chat in this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna go shower and then we're gonna dermaplane this face. Guys, it's day 2. I had to start this vlog walking because my mom was home and I didn't want to tell her that I was transforming my hair. I turned off my location from everybody. You would think that I'm like eloping or something right now, but no, I'm really just going to dye my hair. Last night I didn't talk to you guys because when I got out the shower, y'all, I was feeling so lazy and then I fell asleep. So I didn't dermaplane yesterday. So I'm gonna stop right now at, what is this? I'm gonna stop right here to get some snacks. So we're gonna get snacks. I'm gonna stop by Dunkin' to get my chai and then we'll be on our way. y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Y'all, I feel like you can't see. Can you see my hair? Y'all probably like, this girl changed already. Girl, the moment I walked inside my house, I took off all them clothes. I needed to be comfortable, okay? She did her thing. She did her thing, okay? Mom freaked out in a good way. I'm gonna insert the clip of her yelling. You like it? I'm still not used to seeing me like this. I've never seen me without just dark brown hair. I'm gonna make sure I insert pictures what the hair looks like in better lighting. But as for right now, I gotta eat. I'm hungry. I'm hangry. Alright, you guys, so we are on day 3. I'm actually trying not to talk too loud because it's 11 o'clock at night. Today, we're gonna dermaplane my face. I love dermaplaning my face. I really... It's not like urgent that I need to do it, but I could do it. So first things first, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna make sure I double cleanse my face. Like, it is so important to double cleanse and make sure your skin is just squeaky clean if you're gonna like dermaplane or shave your face, whatever. And then I'll come back, and do not say nothing about my finger, okay? The nail appointment is tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my face is squeaky clean, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get to dermaplaning because this skin needs to be on smooth, okay? Okay guys, so I could not put this video up without emphasizing how much I love this freaking device. So I use the Dermaflash Luxe Plus, and literally it's so amazing. It's basically like shaving your face but elevated, babe, okay? And it has 2 levels, so you can click the power button twice and you're gonna have 2 different levels of like vibration. So one is gonna be a little bit more gentle and the other one is gonna be a little bit more abrasive. I use the gentle one because I'm scary. But girl, when I tell you this is amazing, like, it's gonna take off your peach fuzz, it's gonna exfoliate your skin, it's gonna help with anti-aging. Literally, when you're done, the texture of your skin is like completely gone. Like, no lies, literally gone. And your skin is just so smooth. So whenever you do this, you have to make sure you're pulling your skin kind of like a little tight, just so that it's gonna glide, like the device is gonna glide easily. And you have to do small strokes, okay? I remember when I first did this, I thought it was like I was in the barbershop and I just had to like swipe along my face. No, babe, small strokes, okay? But literally 10 out of 10 recommend trying this. You would think this video is sponsored. They don't even know I use this, girl, but if you want to sponsor me, go ahead. But after I do that, I go in with all my moisturizing products. Like, you could see my face. I literally love putting on that Belif toner because it just feels so soothing, especially because my skin is so dry right now. So after my toner, I go in with some Snail Mucin, and I'm really just using hydrating and calming products. I don't know if you're not supposed to use active ingredients after dermaplaning your face, but I just like to stick with this just to keep it safe. And then I also go in with the Tatcha, the serum stick. It's basically the serum but in stick form. And then I go in with the Belif True Cream. This is the moisturizing balm. So this is the one that's more moisturizing compared to the aqua one. And girl, chef's kiss. I love Belif products. Like, they are 10 out of 10. And do not forget to get your neck and your décolleté, okay? We gotta look young. Y'all, I look like a glazed donut. I don't know if you can tell, but it's nighttime. And we're on day 4. And this is our last day. All I did today was I got my nails done. I didn't record too much because honestly I was kind of asleep in the nail salon. Like, I had my hand up like this and the other hand was in the light, like the gel light or whatever. And then like I'm just sitting there and she's like, Chelsea. And I'm like, oh my god. But this is what they look like. It's not exactly what I wanted. I feel like the stones are too big, but it's fine. So yeah, I did my nails and I did my toes. What we're gonna do to end off this glow up transformation maintenance routine is actually something new. I've never done it before and I'm so excited. Wait, you ready? Take 2. This is gonna be my first time ever doing a lash lift. I was thinking about just getting it done, but I'm like, let's tap into something DIY. Like, I do nothing DIY, and the DIY girlies, they be saving some coin, okay? Hold on, y'all. Let me open this and I'll be right back, because this is obviously like childproof. I finally got it open. These are the pads that come attached to it. They send you an email and saying like these are like the new like upgraded pads, and then when you open it you just get like all the booklets. And then this we have, this is a lot more steps than I thought. There's a perm, there's a fixation, there's a nutrition, there's a cleanser, there's this tool. Girl, I'm not a DIY. I'm not a DIY girly. Let's figure this out. We're gonna get this. Let me read the instructions, because if my lashes fall off, we have a problem. So it seems pretty simple, but what I didn't know is that I needed plastic wrap. So I can't do this right now. So obviously this is like a glow up / transformation video, and I'm clearly ready to go to bed right now. I'm not gonna close the video now. I'm gonna close it out tomorrow morning when I wake up and I get ready for the day, just so that I look not like I'm about to just go lay down and go to sleep. So yeah, see you when I look a little bit better. Okay guys, we made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeover, transformation, glow up video. As you can see, I did my makeup for the day and I had to throw my hair in this messy ponytail because it's getting dirty already. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you again for sticking around. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure you comment below and also comment what videos you guys want to see. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that way you'll be notified next Wednesday when I have another video, okay? Period.